Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain PayMaya money code. A PayMaya money code is a unique 12-digit number that allows you to securely add funds to your PayMaya account. It acts as a digital reference for your cash-in transactions, ensuring your money reaches you safely. This code is crucial for adding money at over 30,000 partner establishments nationwide, making your transactions smooth and reliable. Generating your PayMaya money code is straightforward. First, open your PayMaya app and locate the Cash-in button on the home screen. Next, choose your preferred cash-in partner from the wide selection available, such as convenience stores or payment centers. Finally, input the exact amount you wish to add, and the app will instantly generate your unique 12-digit money code, ready for use. Once you have your money code, using it is simple. Head to your selected cash-in partner and present the 12-digit code to the cashier. Make sure to provide the exact cash amount you specified when generating the code. The cashier will process the transaction, and you should receive a confirmation message in your PayMaya app within moments, along with an official receipt for your records. Here are some important tips for using your money code. Always keep your unique 12-digit code confidential to protect your funds. Double-check that the cash amount you hand over precisely matches the amount you entered in the app to prevent any transaction discrepancies. Using PayMaya money code offers a secure and incredibly convenient way to add funds to your account at over 30,000 partner locations across the country.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.